Hi, I'm Phil, Solutions Attorney at gc.ai. As in-house lawyers, reviewing contracts is part of our job. But once you've included your internal comments in the margins, the real slowdown often begins. Now you have to track who needs to respond, rewrite the comments into emails, and make sure nothing gets missed. This isn't complicated work, but it's time-consuming and prone to error. Here's how gc.ai can help. I have opened a SaaS agreement with quite a few comments that I've included for various teams in my organization. I've opened up gc.ai for Word and go down to the bottom in my prompt library, scroll down to our official prompts, and select Word Comment Compiler. Load it up and hit send. gc.ai will then review my comments, group them by the party whose input is required, and then draft brief emails to those parties with the action items from my comments. Once gc.ai has finished working, you'll notice a comment review and action item section with an email drafted to my finance team, another email to my IT team, and then finally an email to my operations team. All I need to do is copy the emails in my Gmail or Outlook and hit send. It's an easy task, but it adds up. gc.ai helps make sure nothing falls through the cracks and keeps the contract review process moving without any extra manual work. You want to save some time? Try it out.